In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time" error in the Rockstar Games Launcher on Windows 10 and 11. First, let's start with the launcher fix. Go to your Windows search bar and search for Rockstar Games Launcher. From the options, choose Open File Location. This will take you to the shortcut location. Now, right-click on Rockstar Games Launcher, click on Show More Options, and then select Open File Location again. This will take you to the actual installation folder. Here, look for a file named Launcher Patcher. Once you find it, right-click on it, and then select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Now check these two options. Disable full screen optimizations. Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then click OK. Now, let's move on to the second fix, which is related to antivirus settings. Go back to your Windows search bar and search for Virus and Threat Protection, then open it. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Scroll down until you see Exclusions, then click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Add an exclusion, select Folder, and navigate to your installation directory, usually located in the C drive. Select the Rockstar Games folder and add it as an exclusion. If you installed it in a different location, just find that folder and add it instead. This step prevents your antivirus from blocking important launcher files. Now, let's move on to the final fix, which is System Date and Time. Go to your Windows search bar and type Date and Time Settings, then open it. Make sure Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are both turned on. After that, click on Sync Now to refresh your system time. Finally, restart your computer and try opening the Rockstar Games Launcher again.